Section 4. Relevancy of fact forming a part of same transaction. Fact which through not in issue are so connected with a fact in issue or relevant fact as to form a part of same transaction are relevant, whether they occurred at the same time and place or different times and places. With the help of illustration, A is accused of murder of B by beating him. Whatever was said or done by A or B or by the standards at the beating or so shortly before or after it has formed a part of same transaction is relevant fact. D. The question is whether a certain goods order from B were delivered to A. The goods were delivered to several intermediate person successively. Each delivery is a relevant fact. Rule of res geste, Section 6 of Indian Evidence Act in previous and now in BSA 2023. The Section 4 is an exception to rule of evidence that hearsay evidence is not admissible. The test for applying rule of res geste is that statement or a fact should be spontaneously and should form a part of same transaction, ruling out any possibility of convocation. Javed Aslam vs State of Chhattisgarh 2009 6 SCC 450. See also Virendra vs State of MP 2022 8 SCC 668. Extrajudicial confession. Extrajudicial confession is a prima facie is a weak evidence and court is relevant in the absence of chain cognate circumstances to rely on it for recording a conviction. Devi Lal vs State of Rajasthan 2019 19 SCC 447. See also Ishwari Lal vs State of Chhattisgarh 2019 10 SCC 437.